I Love My Darling Tractor by Charles Causley. I love my darling tractor. I love its merry din, its muscles made of iron and steel, its red and yellow skin. I love to watch its wheels go round, however hard the day. And from its bed inside the shed, it never thinks to stray. It saves my arm, it saves my leg, it saves my back from toil, and it's merry as a skink when I give it a drink of water and diesel oil. I love my darling tractor, as you can clearly see, and so, the jolly farmer said, would you if you were me.